Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to adjust your microphone sensitivity or loudness on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you want to go ahead and adjust your microphone sound level on the PlayStation 5, this is very easy to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the PlayStation button on the controller and pop open the quick menu and then scroll on over until you get to mic and select X on this and then open this up. Then make sure you have your microphone selected. So I'm using the USB headset Turtle Beach Stealth 700. Then right at the bottom, I have adjust mic level. Select X on this. Then you can start speaking in here and make sure your microphone is in the good section. And you should hear yourself when you talk now. Now you can use this little slider at the bottom to adjust it. So I typically have it right where good is, and I can go ahead and adjust this all the way down to the left or the right. Now, if you adjust it too high, you may hear like a bunch of buzzing in your microphone. So just go ahead and adjust this until you get rid of that. And this could help eliminate a lot of the background noise you're getting, or like key clicks in the background. You may hear like my mouse or my keyboard when I'm pressing that. But go ahead and adjust this accordingly until you get to a good level. Then back out, and it should now apply to your party chats, your game chats, or whatever. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.